Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, how to save 20 hours a week with a virtual assistant. In today's world, time is one of our most valuable assets, and finding ways to save time is essential for success. We've all been there, feeling overwhelmed at work with different tasks and responsibilities piling up on our desk. What if I told you there was a solution to manage your time better and save 20 hours a week? A virtual assistant can help you get your business and life back on track, freeing you up to focus on things that move the needle forward and that you actually enjoy doing. In this video, we're going to go over the different things that you can delegate to a virtual assistant and 3 easy steps to get you started on this journey of saving 20 hours a week. A virtual assistant is a highly skilled professional who can help you in a variety of different ways. They can help you with data entry, email management, scheduling appointments, and more.
If you're a small business owner or entrepreneur and you're tired of being chained to your business 24/7, we will find the exact virtual assistant with the correct skills for you to delegate the majority of your time-consuming tasks to. What happens if you don't know how to train them? Well, we have you covered. We have SOPs and we have instructions so the VA can do the task correctly every single time. What if you don't want to set up payroll? We have you covered again. You can simply just pay with a credit card. What happens if you don't end up liking your VA? Well, we will replace that VA completely for free. If any of this sounds interesting and you're tired of being chained to your business 24/7, please book a call below.
By outsourcing tasks to a virtual assistant, you can actually free up your time to focus on things that give you energy instead of taking away from your energy. So how can you actually save 20 hours a week with a virtual assistant? I'll break it down in 3 easy steps. Step 1 is identifying the tasks that take up most of your time during the day. How I do this is I go through a task audit. So I wake up, let's say it's 9 a.m., I'm checking my email for any urgent fires that I need to put out, I'm checking Slack, and then I'm going to post on social media. Those first 3 things could actually be delegated to a virtual assistant. So the right virtual assistant who's trained with knowledge of my business will be able to help put out fires, will be able to auto post on social media and contact any clients who may need correspondence from me in my account. Step 2 is building the instructions for these tasks. Now, a virtual assistant is only as good as the instructions you give them. I like to create something called a standard operating procedure, an SOP, that is basically the exact instructions for a VA so they know exactly how to do the tasks and get it done right every single time. I like to do this through Google Docs, Notion, and then I do a Loom, like a screen recorded video, going over the process and how exactly I want it done. Having a VA without having SOPs or instructions is kind of like hiring a contractor to build your house, but not having a blueprint. You'll get a house, but it's not going to be as good as it could have been done if they had a blueprint. Now, step 3 is actually delegating these tasks. So what you want to do is you want to meet with your virtual assistant, go over the SOP, give them the SOP to watch the video inside of the SOP, and set your expectations for this task. Have them complete the task, and then audit how well they did the task. If there's a major issue, they may not be the right fit as the VA, you also need to look at the SOP first to make sure you didn't make any mistakes when giving them those exact instructions. With the help of a virtual assistant, you'll be way more productive. You can actually save up to 20 hours a week. You'll be working on the business instead of in it. Thanks for watching. And if you're needing help with hiring, vetting, staffing a virtual assistant inside of your company, reach out to us at vatasks.com, va-tasks.com. Thank you.